If you do a lot of research or searching for information in the internet, you know that it is sometimes very messy to compile all your information. I have the same experience too. I used to keep bits and pieces of information everywhere, sometimes on paper and everywhere inside my computer, like screenshot files everywhere. Yeah. Now you have this experience. This is video you want to watch. So in this video, I'm going to show you a better way how to collect and organize your information all within your Microsoft OneNote. Now I'm inside my Microsoft OneNote right now. So usually if you want to collect or you get screenshot, you have this function in here, right? Click here, insert, you can do a screen clipping. Let me open up my browser, right? So let's say I want to clip some information right over here. Okay. So just go here, screen clipping, and then I can just highlight this and clip it. It goes inside my OneNote. Okay. This is a simple way to find a screen clipping directly into your OneNote. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a better way how to do that, which I think is easier. So let me go to my browser. So this is my browser. And the first thing you need is this so-called Web Clipper, right? It's the OneNote Web Clipper. If you do not install this, just go to your extensions. Yeah. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. So just go to the Edge add-on or extension. And then you just search for OneNote Web Clipper. Okay, which is this one, right? So once you have this OneNote Web Clipper, you can just install it. For mine, it's already installed. So if not, just click install, simple, and then it will install for you. Now, if you use Chrome, you can just go to Chrome Extension Store. You have the same thing as well. Now, once you install, make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Okay, so the same Microsoft account with your OneNote, right? If not, it will prompt you to log in, right? So once you log in, it shows that once you click this web clipper, it gives you 4 options: full page, region, article, and bookmark. I'll show you in details one by one. So let's say we want to clip the full page. This is the full website page. Okay, with all the articles, right? So the full web page, yeah. And then all you need is just select your location. This is my notebook, right? So I select this is the place I want to put it in, okay, in my inbox, and I just click. So it will take some time for to clip it, yeah, and you can see it inside your OneNote. You want to see it online, you can click it right over here. Now, you want to see it on your OneNote on your computer. You don't see it right over here, but what you can do is that just go to your notebook and then right click to sync this. So it's already done, but you need to sync it. Okay. So because it'll take some time to auto sync. So all you need is just right click and then sync it. And then in a while, you will see this pop up onto your OneNote. Okay. Here it is. All right. So you can see the full website right inside your OneNote. Yeah. Now you can even access it when you are offline once you sync it. Okay. So you can see this. Right. So this is one options. Now let's go back. I'm going to show you the second option, right? Is to click region. All right. So region is something like the web clipping that we've done just now. So let's say I would just want here. Then I can, the same location clip, it will clip that into a new page. All right. So it's done. Let me open here again. So you want to quick, just sync it. Yeah. All right. So now it's here. You can see this. Okay. And this picture, now you just want to take out the text. You can basically copy text from pictures and then you can just paste it right over here. Okay. Now, basically, it will copy everything. Yeah. So you need to just organize it. All right. Now, we're going to show you my favorite. Okay. So my favorite is the third one. All right, let's go to the third one, which is the article. Okay. Now, this article, let me show you another article, right? So if you look at this article, the website kinds of have a lot of like sidebar, a lot of distraction. But I just want this article itself, the main article, right? So if I click here and I choose article, you see that it pulls up only the article, right? Without all the rest of the distraction. When I click it, I show you how it looks like inside the OneNote. So once done, same thing. Again, come over here and then sync it. So it pops up right over here. Now you see here, it is only the article. Yeah. And you can automatically edit it right away. You can see I can just type and edit it. Sorry. So you can see how great is this, right? Now, the last one will be the simple version, okay, which is the bookmark. So the bookmark will give you something like this, all right? So now the top one here, you can put in any notes you want. Yeah, if you don't want, just remove it. Okay, let me show you this one. Same thing. If you bookmark, you show the main feature pictures. So if I click this, okay, done. Come back here again. Let me sing it. No, you don't have to do this. So all you need is just go to the website, search the information and clip it. And then later on, you can sync it one shot. All the information will be there inside your OneNote. So you can see here, right? Now, instead of have so many pages, I want to all organize into one. All you need to do is, let's say I click here, I just copy and then I can just put this right next to here. You see? So, and I can reduce. You see, I can move this and I can, let's say, even the full web page. I can put it right over here. See, I got a full web page over here. So, this is the way you can organize it. And then the rest, you can basically just delete it off. You don't need that, right? So you need this, copy, and then you just paste it right over here. Then the rest, I can basically just right click and delete it all. So I have all my information right in here. Now, OneNote, the beauty is that it has unlimited space. Yeah, you can move through all the space. Yeah, you can move it around. You can organize it. Okay, totally up to you how to organize it. So I hope that today's video will help you in saving your time to collect and organize your research, okay, or information from the internet. Now, by the way, I'm Andrew. If you like this type of productivity video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And meanwhile, check out some of our other video as well. I hope we can help you to grow your career. I'll see you real soon in my next video.